Welcome to the Reggae Special-Session. Good to have you here. Big
Yeah.
pleasure for me.
Yes,
I
give
bring
thanks.
3 rhythms from Switzerland,
Yeah,
and we want to see what you can do on them, yeah?
scene.
Play the first one.
Well, we say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Empress Menin I, the Queen, the Empress. Jah love. Jah love never leave I know. Jah love never leave I know. Jah love never leave I alone. Jah children, Jah love it never leave I know. Jah love it never leave I know. Jah love it never leave I alone. Well, a long time on a rock it and not just yesterday. Long time on a boss it and not just yesterday. Step up in the place and a freestyler so it's set. Second local vinegar, don't know. Freestyle this is original, original, original style. Original, yes, original, ready now. Them me no business where them feel like say no. Where them want tell we bout Jesus say them sight a stop far right and not the east and second when the conquering lion a make a speech them fret. Them always make it seem like it's the heads of government and not them a run the world. The high priest them way. Live in the mountain and only feed palm breath. Only the lesson where Mother Nature teach them get. And them a rule the earth and on a president way. I fling the little youth them in a penitentiary. Brainwash them before them even reach elementary. Them now no love when me see clearly 2020. Babylon split the atom and reach a bottomless pit. You now go hear that on television or on a Netflix. Yet still, them couldn't fool man no. Haile Selassie I still a rule from coast to coast. Jah love never leave I. From coast to coast, Jah never leave I. Yes. From coast to coast, Jah never leave I. Original Chronixx from Spanish Town, Jamaica. Running with a pistol on my hip, yeah. And anybody this I get it. Because since say any minute now them coulda switch. Cause enough of them did switch already. And me try to live a good life in this concrete jungle, yeah. Still a gunshot for the good guys when the streets rumble. Ace, original Chronixx from Spanish Town, Jamaica, you know. Rock we are rock.
Wonderful. I give you a next style, yeah?
In a textile, them a come say them want give you next style. Muffin pupa Chronixx, rougher than a iron. No for them a talk soft like a textile. Freestyle, 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 free. Free, freestyle, 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 free. It coming like it dead. Coming like it money start flying their head. Can't drop no lyrics, lay down in a bed. Muffin pupa Chronixx, I go give them a. When time they get the lyrics hard, no for them a go dead. Muffin pupa East. Yo, dance all, you know. Well, Lord of mercy, all of a sudden everybody a gunman. State of emergency and a bag of tension. A politician don't have no development plan. And that's why every community need a one done. One order, everybody for unite. Now you bingy order, Rastafari and nothing no precious like the youth them life. That a one thing amount of money can buy. Chat them a chat a talk about them a bad man, run up them out and go on. Guns that they gave you are tools that they use to break good communities down, down. I must the boom and the rum. fly up in your head, my son. Make you forget say you a king and start bleach out your skin and a flex like a blood clot. Or it could be many years of brainwashing, or the stewed peas with the pigtail. It even might be these pills that they pop in, make everybody feel like a big devil. I feel face the truth and we can't hide from it. I feel heal with people, it's inevitable. Cause the fighting food I make the youth brain damage, coupled with the crap they're watching on the cable. And the pastor on the answer, the youth them in the church sick and dying from cancer. And marijuana is the healing on a long time church people. I laugh off a rasta. Jamaica government invest billions of dollars to destroy with land race sativa. And then them bring in seeds from California. And then they legalize ganja. One, me bunny fire red. Them a talk about them bad, send them a them bed. Bunny fire hot. Moving proper Chronixx and then put it up at that. Them couldn't take it down back. Ace. Yosh. Push.
Next one.
Up. Yeah. We don't got no time to waste, no. We don't got no. I tell the youth them to hold up them head and praise the far right. I Selassie, I the first. Instead, don't bow to the devil, no. Just one whole a level, no. Look at you, them make them dull you, Hey, sharp and bevel, go make them know. No bow to the devil, no. Yeah. What you mean? Want to drop a verse, but I have to wait. I need to read my meditation first. This is freestyle, ain't no write down. Rent a tile, wine your waist, girl. Muffin proper Chronixx, we step up in the place. Give them dance all, we not have no time for waste. Make them know say I not go wear no screw face, nor no gun pound waist. When we think them rise, it's to defend the people. Now walk and kill my brothers for evil. Muffin proper Chronixx, this is what we do. Even in the darkest night, Selassie is my light. Jah is always there by my side. That's why I give thanks every day when I rise. Cause every day is not a day with a bright sky. When the darkness bring pain to my eyesight, Jah is the light on my way and he shines bright. Jah power of the Trinity, and I never question Jah divinity. Oh, if you ever doubt Selassie abilities, looking at yourself and answer this. Yes, tell me who taught all the birds how to fly? Who is the one that hang the clouds in the sky? Yeah. And if for Moses, Jah did part the Red Sea. Oh yeah, and I know that Jah is always with me. Always with me, even in the darkest night. Selassie is my light, and Jah is always there by my side. Whoa, though sometimes I lose my way, just say you will be found one day, and he is always there by my, he is always there by my side, side. He's always there by my side, side. He's always there by my side. Crazy shit, mad thing.
I just had an idea because you're the only one who does really freestyle. Everybody else just sings songs on the rhythms.
Yeah.
And I was wondering if They Don't Know could fit on this.
Yeah. They don't know, And I said they don't know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, only you know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Alright, they see the dancing, them see the performance. Enough people see me life, I don't want one. But them no know, say more time it look dormant. Them no see say I'm a belly man, I crawl pan. Mama just called me with tears in her eyes. But she never know I have no fear in I. Ooh, they don't know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. And not only you know, only you know. Oh, they see me smile. Them don't want freestyle, I offer freestyle. Don't want freestyle, I offer freestyle. But this is all the vibes enter in the earth. Through the little children them, so don't when you see the little child. Don't stop him from freestyle. Cause that is all the inspiration reach to I and I through the youth. So when the youth hear a beat and them grab up a mic, them have to drop the music in a positive vibe. Spanish Town, yeah you large. Mount View, yeah you large. East.
Good.
Thank you so much, Chronixx.
Good. Big respect.
I think we already done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Big respect to all Massive and crew. You don't know. Live.